Hello, my name is John Erickson. I'm auditioning for the role of Thomas. I'm located in Los Angeles, California, and represented by MKM. I will be available for the shoot dates in December. Amy? What are you doing here again? How did you get in here? I have a restraining order against you.
We have unfinished business.
So, are you saying you want to have some fun? I'm willing to overlook the restraining order if you are.
You said that you loved me. We slept together. How could you take out a restraining order?
Amy, you have to admit that things got a little out of hand. You got pretty nuts for a while.
Thomas, we were in love. You hurt me.
We hooked up at a bar. We were both drunk.
We didn't just hook up at a bar because we were drunk.
That's what I did. And we were definitely drunk.
What about all those late night calls for me to come over?
It's a booty call, Amy. And you came over. You got what you wanted.
No, I didn't get what I wanted. You said you loved me. That makes it not just hooking up, don't you think?
Come on. We're both grown-ups. You know how it works. I said that to make you feel happy. I was being nice so you wouldn't feel like a tramp or something. I always say that to the women I'm with.
Got your shit.
Look, if you're not here for some fun, then it's the same old conversation, and we've already been all through all this.
I guess we have.
But now, I have a restraining order against you. So get out of here, Amy. Leave before I call the police. And have you arrested.
The police will be here soon enough.
What are you talking about, Amy? You're a crazy bitch, and you need to get out of here.
You have always underestimated me. So now you're going to find out just how crazy I am.
What? What are you talking about? You are in violation of the restraining order. This time, you're going to jail.
Put your phone down, Thomas.
You need to go away, Amy. And for a long time.
Don't worry. You won't be seeing me anymore, Thomas.
Good! So get out!
All right, already. I'm leaving. But one more thing.